How do you set up low inventory flow inside of Klaviyo? In today's video, our Klaviyo champion Bobi will show you step-by-step tutorial how to do it. We do ask you to support our channels by liking this video, subscribing to channels, and please also ask your questions below in this video. We do read all of them and respond to them. So now let's Bobi explain us how to do it.
This is a flow that is, for now, it is only available for Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix integrations. For Shopify, it is available both on product and variant level, while for BigCommerce and Wix only on product level, meaning we can specify number of specific variations. It will have to be on product level overall, but for Shopify we can do even specific variation inventory numbers. The name of this flow is pretty self-explanatory. It is meant to trigger when some of the products on your inventory are low, and then depending on how we set it up, it will trigger for different people, informing that either the product that they view, the product that they added to cart, or something like that. Recently, that it is soon going to be out of stock because the inventory on that product is low. So if they want to go back and buy it, like, it's kind of, I wouldn't say last minute flow, but it provides some incentive to people to kind of go and urgently take action because that product that they liked may not be in stock for long. I will go over how to set this flow now. It's pretty straightforward. There are some options that we will have to pick, but I created a new flow that is not set up yet. So how to set it up? We go to all triggers, and then we have a new trigger here, which is low inventory. Once you pick it, because this is a Shopify client, we have two options. We have option for product level, meaning we will be looking if the product overall has specific number in the inventory, or if you go to variant level in case the product has multiple variants. For example, if you're selling shirts, same shirt may be 5 different variants with 5 different colors, so it may be more precise, but it will not always be available as an option, just so you know. So the product variant level is only for Shopify. For the other two, for BigCommerce and Wix, it is on a product level, so we can't know how much of each variants are in inventory. So just for the purpose of this video, we will do the product level because it has more options. Because if you use variant level, it is only available for people who started the checkout with that specific variant. While if you do a product level, it is available for people who started checkout, who view product, and who added to cart that specific product. So the first thing that we need to set up after we pick product level is to set what is the number for the inventory that we want to warn people. So for example, when we reach what number in inventory, we want to send this to the customer. And again, remember, this has to be hard customized depending on your client, because for some clients 10 products in inventory is normal thing, but for some clients even 50 products in inventory is low number. So you'll need to communicate with our client properly to discuss what are the usual numbers that if they get close to, it means that the product will soon get out of stock. So just for the purpose of this video, we will say that if the product gets less than 10 units, this flow should trigger. Now, who should this flow trigger to? Now we have to pick the options here. So do we want the flow to trigger for people who started checkout with a product that has less than 10 units in inventory right now? Do we want it to trigger with people who view the product that has 10 units in inventory right now? Or do we want the flow to trigger for people who added the product in cart that is right now in inventory? Or we can combine. For example, we can do people who view product and added to cart, or started checkout and added to cart, or we can select all of them. Like, it doesn't matter. All of them are available to be selected as options, depends on what do you want to do. For now, for this purpose, I will select all. So any people who interacted with this product in the last, that is something that we need to decide in the last how many days. If this product is less than 10 products in inventory, then people will start receiving. And here the last thing to pick is how many days we want to count in. So what this means is, okay, so product gets less than 10, who should this flow trigger to? And then we are saying we should trigger for people who viewed, started checkout and so on, but in how many days? Because someone may have started a checkout with this product like a year ago, so we don't want to trigger it for them. So the basic setup is saying 30 days. We have options to pick 1, 7, 30 and 90, or we can pick this custom option and we can put any days that are between 0 and 90. As you can see, we can't put more than 90 days. So let's say we want to say 45 days just for the purpose of this video. So let me now explain what we actually set up here. So what we actually set up here is, if product A in inventory gets to less than 10 products, all the people who started checkout view product and added to cart in the last 45 days and didn't place an order for this specific product will start receiving these emails. And then the content of the email should be, this product that you were interested is now low on stock, so if you want to go and buy it before we run out of it, or something like that. That would be the main purpose. It is a good incentive flow, it is a good urgency flow, it may bring a lot of sales, and this is specifically, it is good for all our clients, but it is specifically good for clients that don't offer much discount codes, because this is one kind of incentive that may make people want to buy something. Because if one of the incentive is discount codes and we are not using it for that account, the urgency may be something that we can utilize and get some benefit out of it. Again, it will be a good addition to probably all of our clients, but I strongly suggest that it is 100% added to all of the clients that we don't offer discount code. So at least we have some urgency for people to go and do what we want them to do. That it is about this flow, how to set it up. Again, after this is done, just click save, add filters if you want some, and then add emails and so on and so on. But in general, that is about the setup of this flow. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Want to discover how much money your email marketing can actually bring you? If that's the case, let our team of email marketing experts show you how. With our free email marketing audit, we'll conduct a comprehensive analysis of your email marketing efforts, provide you with an action plan, and show you how to effectively segment and convert your audience. Simply go to flowium.com/audit and book your audit today. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to us directly or leave the comments below. We are reading those questions and we are responding to them. And if you are not subscribers to this channel, please subscribe. It does help our channels to grow and help us to produce more valuable content for you.